The Panasonic S1 and S1R offer the ability to customize the behavior of your lenses. Let's go into the camera's menu and show you how to customize them. From the camera's menu, we want to select the Gear or Cog tab. From there, you'll see a bottom option that is the photo of a lens. It's called Lens and Others. From here, you have two options, Lens Focus Resume and Focus Ring Control. Let's first talk about Focus Resume. So the behavior of the lens as it ships is that every time you set the lens, in this case, I'm going to put the background out of focus. If the camera goes to sleep or you power the camera off, when you power it back on again, the lens automatically returns back to infinity and you've lost where you had your focus set. If you don't want that to happen, simply turn Lens Resume on and it will leave the lens the last place you set it. Focus Ring Control. So by default, it's in a non-linear setting, which means the faster you turn the focus ring, the faster it's going to focus back and forth. There's not really any consistency to the behavior. By going to linear, the focus motor will now work the same way every single time. So you can have a very repeatable focus. In addition, you have the ability to adjust the degrees of rotation. So if you want a really shallow rotation, set it to 90 degrees, and it can rotate very quickly. If you want a lot of control over your focus ring, you can set it all the way out to maximum. In this case, we're going to set it to 360 degrees. And you can see it takes a very long time for us to turn it to its close focus distance. And that's the customization you have for the lenses on the S1 and S1R.